Dad, look! I made this by myself. It's a strawberry toy, see?
What is this? It looks terrible. Why are you wasting your time on this? Have you even finished your chores yet?
Mom, I haven't finished yet. I was going to after this.
I want that. Give it to me.
No, Tom. This is mine. I made it.
I like it. So it's mine. Mom! Dad!
He wants it. Why are you making this a big problem?
It's okay. Don't cry anymore. Here, this is for you.
It's mine now. I like this one better. No one listens to me. No one cares.
That's enough. If you have time to play, you have time to work. Look at this place. It's a mess. Go clean it.
Okay, I'll clean it.
What did you do?
You broke it. You should be careful.
What happened?
Mia, you are always careless.
No, it was Tom.
Go outside and think about your behavior.
You don't trust me. Again. I feel hungry, but I can't cry forever. I need to do something. I need to survive.
Excuse me. Can I help you clean? I can wash dishes, clean tables. I can do anything. I just need some food.
You are very small. This is not easy work. Are you sure you can do it?
Yes, I work fast, I learn fast, and I don't give up.
All right. Show me what you can do.
Okay, just focus. 1 plate, 2 plates. I can do this. Clean table, happy customer. That's good.
Here you go. Please enjoy your meal. Oh, thank you, dear.
No problem. I'm strong. I can help.
I'm tired, but I feel good. I'm doing something good. You worked hard. You didn't stop, Dan. So here, this is for you.
For me? Really?
You earned it. Thank you. I will work even better next time. I promise. You're very welcome, Mia.
Wow. It's so good because I earned it myself.
Excuse me, can I have a little? I'm really hungry.
Of course. Here, take this.
Excuse me. Wait, you dropped your wallet.
Our wallet? You found it?
Yes, it fell near me. I didn't touch anything.
Everything is still here. Not even $1 missing. You look tired. Did you eat something?
Yes, I worked hard for it. And I shared it with a little child.
You had money in your hand. You had food in your hand. And you still chose to give.
That's not easy, even for adults. Where are your parents?
They don't want me anymore. You are not alone now. If you want, you can be our daughter.
Really, you accept me?
Of course we do. We don't need a perfect child. We just need a kind heart.
Let's go home.
Wow, it's so clean and everything is so beautiful. I feel like I'm dreaming. I don't want to wake up.
Then don't wake up. Just live it.
Come, I want to show you something.
Wow, there are so many dresses. They don't look real, like they belong to someone else's life.
No, they are not just mine. They are here for you.
For me.
Yes, just pick what you like.
Look, it's so pretty. I feel like a princess.
You are not just pretty. You are gentle. You are strong. And you are worth being seen. And I love you, Mia.
So much food. This is not just dinner. This is more than I've seen in many days.
Try this. I don't know your favorite yet.
No one ever did this for me.
We're a family now. Not for today, for as long as you want.
Yes. A real family where I don't have to ask if I can stay.
This is wonderful.
It really is. Mom? Dad? Mia? Is that really you?
You didn't believe me. You didn't protect me. You pushed me away. But I still remember. You are my parents. They hurt me. They didn't love me. But they are suffering now. What should I do? Can we help them? They made mistakes, but they are still human and my parents.
You have a beautiful heart. We are proud of you.
You can work at our restaurant. You can start again. But this time, please be kind.
We are sorry. We were blind. We lost the best thing in our life.
I'm sorry, Mia. I was selfish.
It's okay. You can change. They finally understand how it feels. I already have everything I need.
And we have you. We love you.
I love you too.